Hi, Marco, our washers at washmart.com, your Texas power washer store. Gonna test out a new unit. We haven't done any builds with these engines yet. This is gonna be the CRX made by Simpson, that 679cc engine. It's gonna be with the 8 gallon a minute AR pump. We're gonna see how this guy runs. We just built this the other day, so I'm actually not really familiar with how it runs. So we're about to demo it here. All right. Okay. Yeah, you usually want to walk slower whenever it's real dirty like that. It hasn't ever been clean, I don't think. Let me see it. Getting my zebra stripe. So, somewhere about like this. Yeah, something like that. Love doing the ball valve. We always just leave these trigger guns open. Whenever they break, we take them off and just switch it out with the ball valve. All right, go ahead, bud. All right. This is Marco. That's going to be the CRX. This little demo unit. We're going to be running it, see how it goes. But we're looking at building machines with this engine, so we wanted to field test this guy, put some hours on it. Put about 30 hours a week on that trailer, so we'll be able to find out real quick how the engine runs and if that's gonna be something we're gonna want to build with long term. Anyways, this is Marco, washmart.com. Thank you for watching.